The RK ROYAL KLUDGE S98 is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for those who demand both style and functionality. Whether you're a gamer, a typist, or someone who simply appreciates a well-crafted keyboard, the S98 promises a blend of cutting-edge features and a satisfying typing experience. With its 96% layout, smart display, and customizable knob, it's built to cater to users who want a compact yet powerful tool without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features of the S98 is its smart display, a rare addition in mechanical keyboards. This tiny screen provides real-time information like battery life, connection mode, and even customizable graphics, adding a personal touch. The inclusion of a tactile knob is another highlight, allowing you to adjust volume, scroll through pages, or customize functions to your liking. The keyboard is hot swappable, meaning you can easily change switches without soldering, making it a dream for enthusiasts who love to tweak their setup. The creamy, thocky sound profile is a delight, thanks to its top-mounted design and high-quality materials, which reduce ping and provide a satisfying keystroke feel. In real-world use, the S98 shines. The wireless options, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, offer versatility for different setups, whether you're gaming or working. The battery life is impressive, lasting days on a single charge, and the typing experience is buttery smooth, with minimal lag even in wireless mode. The 96% layout strikes a perfect balance between compactness and functionality, giving you almost all the keys of a full-sized keyboard while saving desk space. However, the keyboard isn't without its quirks. The software, while functional, can feel a bit clunky, and the lack of dedicated macro keys might disappoint some gamers. Compared to similar keyboards like the Keychron Q5 or the ACO Mod 007, the S98 holds its own with its unique smart display and knob, offering features you won't find elsewhere at this price point. While the Keychron might appeal more to purists with its solid build, the S98's added flair and customization options give it an edge for those who want something extra. To get the most out of the S98, take advantage of its hot swappable switches. Experiment with different types to find your perfect feel. Use the smart display to monitor battery life, or add a personal touch with custom graphics. And don't overlook the knob. Program it to suit your workflow, whether it's adjusting volume or scrubbing through timelines in editing software. Overall, the RK ROYAL KLUDGE S98 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a high-end mechanical keyboard with unique features. It's ideal for gamers, typists, and tinkerers who appreciate customization and a premium typing experience. While it has minor drawbacks, its pros far outweigh the cons, making it a standout in its category. Thanks for tuning in, and happy typing.